I know everyone struggling with dual employment. If you have overlapping history, overlapping service history, there might be a chance your background verification may be rejected continuously in multiple MNCs, in multiple companies. If you got the job, really happy. If you don't get the job, worst case, you can contact to me. We cannot delete the entry. We cannot delete the service history entry. Worst case, to get the job in big MNCs, I will help you. The solution will be completely alternative way. You need to do some actions. These tricks will work only for future job. I repeat, if you have offer in your hand, I cannot help you. For future company, I can suggest you something. Definitely that tricks will work 100%. If your background verification continuously rejected, you can contact to me for dual employment cases. I will suggest you. Worst case, I will suggest you in right direction. So my email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Once done your payment, we will discuss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.